Well, we're getting more insight into suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton's relationship with Austin real estate developer Nate Paul on day 3 of the impeachment trial. Thanks so much for joining us on CW Austin. I'm Daniel Marin.
And I'm Britt Moreno. Paul is central to Paxton's impeachment articles, and today we heard from a former top deputy who eventually reported Paxton to the FBI. Our Monica Madden has been in the Senate chambers all day for us. Monica, what do we know about this second witness?
Well, Ryan Bangert is another former top aide to Paxton. He served as the Deputy First Assistant Attorney General and worked very closely with Paxton. And interestingly enough, prosecution again was trying to lay the groundwork, describing him as someone who is a bona fide conservative, pointing to his resume that he was a member of the Federalist Society and previously had worked for Missouri Attorney General Josh Hawley, a Republican. All of this likely intentional to appeal to the Republican jurors in the Senate who will ultimately be weighing the gravity of his testimony.
Disbelief, shock, extreme concern.
Central to day 3 of the trial, a so-called midnight opinion.
This opinion had not gone through the formal, rigorous process of review by the opinion committee.
Whistleblowers say in August 2020, Paxton demanded a legal opinion declaring foreclosure sales were unsafe due to the pandemic in order to help Nate Paul avoid foreclosures on his properties.
The name and authority and power of our office had been, in my view, hijacked to serve the interests of an individual against the interest of the broader public.
Defense making the case there wasn't evidence to show Paxton's intent was to help Paul.
You stated that you were uncertain why Ken wanted the foreclosure opinion issued. True?
Questioning Bangert's allegiance to his boss.
You did not take the time to hear his side of things out before you went to law enforcement.
I disagree.
The defense argued whistleblowers staged a coup against Paxton. Bangert had a different take.
Did you consider it a mutiny?
It was not a mutiny.
How would you characterize it?
We were protecting the interest of the state, and ultimately, I believe, protecting the interest of the Attorney General, and in my view, signing our professional death warrant at the same time.
Now we're still hearing from a third witness, prosecution's third witness so far. His name is Ryan Vassar, another top aide for the Attorney General's office. Vassar oversaw the Open Records Division in the Attorney General's office, and he was testifying that Paxton pressured him to release a federal affidavit related to Nate Paul and a possible arrest for him, which he ultimately did. Now we're getting cross-examination right now from Paxton's defense team, and they've been really drilling into Ryan Vassar, asking him why he decided to ultimately report him to the FBI, and equating that good faith beliefs that Paxton did something wrong does not equate to evidence. So they've been really grilling him on that point. Britt, Daniel.
Monica, thank you so much. And we just want to remind folks you can watch the entire Senate trial each day on our website, KXAN.com. Check out the Paxton impeachment section.